Today we're going to modify Doom 2, and to do it we are using this tutorial by 1738 creation. So let's go to in the info down here, and let's load the Slade tool here to modify Doom 2. Save it into somewhere, and then you're gonna run it, and then you choose the folder. I choose the folder where is GZ Doom, and once you have downloaded it, you can run it, and you will find this window. And what do you have to do? You see here I get this code. You get to do file, new, you see here we get Doom VAD zip archive. You got to choose zip archive. You got to click on create, and then you gotta save this file. You're gonna call it test2 or test. I call test2 because I've just done a try, and you call it pk3. You save it, then you do again new, and you go to new here, or to entry, and go to new entry, okay, or from here, or from entry. You get to create a new entry like in here, and then you go and write Zscript .txt. You need a txt file. You create it, and you get here. Then you got to click US text, and then you click here where there is written text language, and go to the Doom script. You find the link to Slade in my info too. And so here we are going to write the code. There is this code here: class super zombie clone, column zombieman replaces zombieman, and then we got this states spawn Sarge. It's the new monster that you will see instead of the super zombie clone. But then I think you will see, but it's just the view of the zombie of the other monster, because as you will see, the monster remains the same. So now let's save this. Okay, when I save that script, okay, and let's see if it works. Let's go into the folder where we got our test2. There is the test2 pk3. There is this one here, and you can take it and bring it into gzdoom to see if it works. Let's launch Doom 2, and if it works, we will see the two different monsters at the beginning. New game, and let's go. And as you can see, we see the two different monsters that we have spawned instead of the one that we made before. But it's just an initial state, because they remain zombie. Because if you see, if I wake up them, they will be substituted by zombies, and so everything will go on like this. So this means that everything is fine, and we have created our first Zscript in this pk3 file, where we substituted, we spawned to, I don't know how those monsters call, and with this code here. So that's all for the moment. Let's see in another tutorial how to change something more with Zscript. Thank you.